it's obvious the best pogs are the ones found in our hearts.
Come here. Look who it is. Lisa, come here. Aww.
Who are you talking to? Freddie looks nice and comfy. Does he have some popcorn?
But she is so gentle.
People always say don't let dogs near babies, probably because they'll laugh themselves silly.
Well, at least the flapping ears are entertaining despite the noise he makes.
Good job, Butter. Good job, Butter. Good job. Good job, Butter.
Robbie! Robbie!
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Zoomies are special. They do it only when they feel comfortable in their own skin.
Dog's like, wait, why is there a tiny human here? Can they play fetch? Chase, maybe?
You need corn to fly in the sky.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
Looks like someone's not ready to share Dad yet.
Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty. Extended warranty.
No.
When a tiny human suddenly shows up and starts taking all of Dad's attention.
Ja, det är sisten.
Well, this level of partnering crime that we didn't expect to see in them.
Looks like the hair of Aquaman has been found.
Not many people can handle this cuteness. How about you?
Look, Daddy.
Look at him. Don't squeeze him too hard.
Looks like someone's still a little shy around his sister.
Hi. Oh, funny.
Just a little trick is enough to make her giggle.
Baby Georgia cry, make a pie, make a pie in the hall and mirror.
Get him, boy.
Baby. Oh, I'm trying to give a fall. Look at baby.
It's completed.
Who is that?
What's she so? Mom. Mom.
Good job, Butter. Good job, Butter. Good job. Good job, Butter. I guess he's grown up enough to babysit now.
Practical lessons are crucial, you know, even when it can be dirty and full of chaos. Can this be called inheritance? Because now his little soul will walk everywhere instead of the parents.